exceeded all of my expectations. Today I got resources and connected with local banks. I also learned about how to clarify my message and learned about my target audience in a way that I never have before. I've attended a lot of trainings and been in a lot of spaces, but today as a young social entrepreneur trying to impact 76104, I feel like I left with a plan that is really going to help my board and our team have a vision on where we're going. So we're excited to take this plan and make a larger impact.